Y'all, guess what? I actually had time to leave the house today. My baby was napping. It's Saturday, so my husband's home. So I went to Target. I confirmed I did find the Grinch. And it was in a reindeer capsule. So I got I already peeked, I opened them. I did pick the snowman because I wanted to complete my collection. I got the reindeers, what is it, a roast? And then, look how cute they're displaying these now. Like, it's presented so nice. And then I finished the collection. Look at this snowman table. I'm actually gonna save this and open it in a video, but I have it for my collection. And then this one, y'all, we found the Grinch. We found the Grinch. I'm also gonna open this in a video, but I did confirm it in the car just to make sure. And yes, finally. I fully missed out on last year because I stopped collecting while I was pregnant. And my elf spaghetti that's been staring at me forever, it just makes me really want these. So I finally got it. And then I did have to go to Walmart for some things for my baby, some formula and things. So I stopped and saw the $5 capsules that they had, which were the Diner Series 3. They weren't the ones that had the 15 recipes, so I'm almost positive this is not the Dino Nuggets. I just winged it, and I figured I would get what I get. So I'm curious. I guess I'll just open it right here. Might as well make this a fun video. But I've never gotten any of the Hello Kitty ones, so I did get one of the just Hello Kitty Make It Mini food. Oh, you know what? Let me go back and show you where the pinhole is for this. So the pinhole on this one, right here next to the 12. So let's see which one this is. All right, so the pinhole's by the 12. I look at the cheat sheets from Meeny Miny Mo. The work she puts in, great. I love it. It's amazing. So let me just start off and open one of these, I guess, and see what it is. Okay, it's avocado. So avocado, ketchup, what else is there? Oh, okay, so it's like the veggie burgers. Cute. I don't have these type of burgers. They're like little whole wheat burgers, basically. Let me find the recipe. This is cute. I don't have these. Yeah, veggie burger. Cute. Let me see what else we got. And then, of course, I don't have any other of the Series 3 diners, so I'm keeping this paper. I keep one from every collection that I get. And then this one comes with a cute little platter. I love these because it can hold the bowl. A little sauce bowl. And then, ooh, white cheddar cheese. I don't have white cheddar cheese yet. I just have the yellow cheese. That's pretty cute. It should be the patties. Yeah, that's cute. They're like colorful. They have like brown and orange. Green and orange. Cute. Little veggie burgers. Anyways, and then the random one that I got from Hello Kitty, I will open in another video, but let me find the pinhole. I don't know if it has one. Where are the pinholes on this one? Anyways, I'll search for it and then post it in the video, but stay tuned and I'm gonna open up the Grinch. I'm so excited, guys. But in the meantime, this veggie burger is super cute. What should I do with it? I need to think of a remix. Yeah.